Google did not just sell another cloud service. It built a side door into its own AI chips. The number on the door is $5 billion. Blackstone says it is putting that initial equity into a new US-based company built with Google. The company is meant to offer data center capacity, operations, networking, and Google Cloud TPUs as compute as a service. That sounds like a finance headline. It is really an infrastructure map. Because an AI model does not begin with a chat window. It begins with a rack, a chip, a cooling loop, a power contract, a fiber path, and then finally a customer asking for the model to answer one more question. The chip in this story is not a generic GPU. It is Google's TPU, a custom accelerator built for machine learning training and inference. Google uses this kind of infrastructure across its own AI stack and sells access to cloud TPUs to customers who need the same kind of acceleration. So why bring in Blackstone? Because the cloud is no longer just software. It is real estate. It is substations. It is construction schedules. It is operators who can keep a high-density facility alive while demand is moving faster than the buildings can be finished. The first hard target is not a model name. It is 500 megawatts. Blackstone says the first 500 megawatts of capacity are expected to start coming online in 2027. That is the part most people miss. The AI race is not only about who has the smartest model. It is about who can get power, land, chips, cooling, networking, and money to arrive in the same room at the same time. For customers, this creates another lane, not a magic solution, not proof that one chip company loses tomorrow, but another route into scarce AI compute when everyone is trying to reserve the same capacity. For Google, it lets TPUs move into a bigger infrastructure story, without turning every customer relationship into the normal Google Cloud buying path. For Blackstone, it turns AI demand into the kind of physical asset it understands: buildings, power, contracts, utilization, and long-term capacity. The risk is timing. 500 megawatts in 2027 is not instant relief. It is a bet that the appetite for AI compute will still be there when the doors open. And that is the real story. AI keeps being described like intelligence floating in the air. But the next phase is heavy. It has walls, it has meters, it has transformers humming outside, it has investors asking when the room pays itself back. Google's new TPU cloud lane is not just a chip story. It is a reminder that the future of AI may be decided by whoever can power the building first.